welcome back to another video here on Fix It Facts It. My name's Fix It, and today we're doing system test. I think it's 4, it might be 3, I don't know. And yeah, he's back.
Hi.
And there's something special. We have some new changes, and we're doing it in the dark. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. So let's get to it. Thank you to Bogue Hill, not sponsoring, but for lighting the system test. This is the light that we're gonna use. Okay. I'll cut out that part. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we are at the panel. So first, we will put this into test by flicking off all the zones. That, and I also have to disconnect the power supply. If I just turn the breaker on, the emergency lights will turn on, and we do not want the emergency lights. Okay. And that there is disconnected. Oops. Whatever. So we are good to start our test. What?
What did you disconnect?
The power supply for the horns. Anyway, so we'll start with this one. There we go. And on to the next one.
This one?
Yes.
Or should we save it for last?
No. Well, we're gonna open it. Open it. Cool.
And now, of course, the panel's locked.
Yep. No, sir. Do that. And here is the first big change. We have a pull station and a horn up here now. So,
Should we activate the horn?
no. You're too fast. Just a reset.
T-bar? T-bar?
T-bag.
Man?
Go. You go reset the panel.
Okay.
And then we go. Okay. And we go down the creepy hallway. Right down to this pull station.
Oh, that's where that one went.
He hasn't seen this yet. Cool. Reset. So unfortunately today we will not be testing the garage. I had it all ready, but unfortunately we are rebuilding some stuff. So the garage section of this is no longer accessible. So I'm doing this one. Should we let these? We will after.
Alright. I have my keys here. Are we gonna reset it?
It is reset. Okay. So now that all of that is done, sometimes it can happen where the smoke detectors will go off twice and the alarms will go off. So I'm just going to page and do our page that everybody knows.
You don't press the page button.
Attention, attention. We are now beginning the fire alarm system test. Please disregard all alarms. I repeat, we will now be beginning our fire alarm system test. Please disregard all alarms. Okay, so
Enable.
we can No, we're not enabling it yet, just in case they go off twice. So I'm gonna put this ladder
Yeah.
right here. I call doing these. I had my smoke spray.
Right there.
Oh yeah. Okay, smoke check. I don't like when people just push the thing and it's not realistic. I like to.
Make it inhale.
Yes.
Spray it right inside.
This one takes a while.
There we go.
Okay, can you reset that?
We're gonna get a re-alarm.
No, we're
I'm
not.
calling it.
Okay, now we are going to test our other one.
That is non-existent.
I just need my flashlight.
I mean, you're losing everything.
Oh, whatever.
Just use my phone.
Oh, never mind. It's in my pocket. Okay. This should. Nope, sir. Just
Every
one
single
second.
other light. Then
Okay. Right up here. This is the other big change. The smoke detector above the T-bar. Please go off.
it's gonna go off. Any second now. There we go.
Okay. That's reset. So now we can close up the ceiling, and now we get to ring the bells and set off the alarms.
May I enable this alarm?
Yes, and I will plug back in power supply. Ow.
Ow.
If you do this, please make sure that you don't hit yourself because it really hurts.
Oh wait, I did not make the alarm.
We already did.
I know, but that was like 5 minutes ago.
No. Okay, so now over here.
Wait, make sure we have a glass rod inside.
So we're gonna break this glass rod. 3, 2, 1. Good.
All good.
Okay. Nope. That was one. And the strobe that I've installed is working. That horn is working. So don't put it. Okay. And there we go. So now we can get
A new brake
a
rod.
new brake rod.
A new
for
brake
the
rod.
270 SPO. I'm almost out of these. It makes me sad. These are expensive too.
I know. Whatever, you have to do it once a year.
And I already did it this year.
Oh, you did.
There we go. And I think that's going to be it for this system test, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!